Welcome to 1 Foxfire Lane, where you will find lake access with this 0.77 of an acre brick home in Westlake Subdivision. New construction home with an open split bedroom floor plan with 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, granite countertops throughout the home, and a nice covered front and rear porch. The master suite has 2 walk-in closets, double vanities, a separate toilet room, soaker tub, and shower. This home is eligible for a USDA loan with no money down. The seller is the broker in charge of Advantage Realty Group, Incorporated and principal member of Gainey Construction Co, LLC. Click on the red dots to go to that location of the home. Click on the back arrow to return to the previous scene. Click the forward arrow to view the next scene, or just sit back and enjoy the tour as it plays. The great room has luxury vinyl plank flooring, a tray ceiling with recessed lighting and a ceiling fan, measures 19 feet 9 inches by 19 feet 4, and is open to the dining and kitchen. The eat-in area of the kitchen measures 14 feet 6 inches by 8 feet 6. The kitchen has granite counters, an island, a pantry, stainless appliances, recessed lighting, and measures 13 feet 3 inches by 11 feet 5. The hall to the master bedroom is located off the great room. The master bedroom has carpet, a tray ceiling with a ceiling fan, a private bath, a walk-in closet, and measures 14 feet 5 inches by 11 feet 9. The master bedroom has luxury vinyl plank flooring, a granite counter with dual sinks, a separate tub, 2 walk-in closets, and measures 15 feet 1 inch by 9 feet 3. The master has 2 walk-in closets. This walk-in closet has carpet and measures 9 feet 3 inches by 5 feet 11. The second master closet measures 8 feet 4 inches by 6 feet 7. The door at the end of the hallway leads to the back carport. Bedroom 4 has a desk area that measures 6 feet 7 inches by 5 feet 3. The bedroom portion measures 11 feet 4 inches by 11 feet 1. The walk-in closet measures 5 feet 11 inches by 5 feet 7. The half bath has luxury vinyl plank flooring, a granite counter, and measures 6 feet 3 inches by 5 feet 5. The laundry room has luxury plank flooring, a granite counter with a utility sink, a washer and dryer hookup, and measures 15 feet 1 inch by 6 feet. The door leads to the back covered carport.